Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to build a 5-jet water fountain with Lego bricks for today's tutorial. Let's begin with a 16 by 16 stud plate. You can use any size you wish. Right in the middle, a 2 by 2 plate. Then I want to surround that plate with 4 1 by 2 by 2 corner angular flat tiles. Next, let's set down 4 1 by 2 jumper plates right on the corners. Then we're going to round off with 8 1 by 1 quarter round flat tiles right next to the jumper plates. You'll see why here in a second. I'm using the style of flat tiles. Get this last one in here, and no, no speed builds. Right in the center, let's set down a 2 by 2 dome brick with stud. Then I'm going to take a hollow stud, place it right on top. Let's take a pair of hollow studs. I'm going to place these on top of one another. I'm going to make 4 of these. I'm going to put these on the jumper plates. These are going to be used to anchor down our water jets. For the sides of our fountain, take a 2 by 2 quarter round brick. I'm going to place a 2 by 2 quarter round flat tile right on top. I want to make 12 of these. First, I want to take 4 and I want to set these right next to our angular flat tiles. That's why I chose those tiles, because those work perfect. I'm going to stick these in these areas first. Then I'm going to take the remaining 8 and then I'm going to wrap around the quarter round 1 by 1 flat tiles. As you can see, this does fill in the bottom nice. So we're just going to place all these around. And let's start putting in our water jets. So I'm going to take one of these transparent blue tall flames. I'm going to set this one right in here. And the hollow stud is meant to anchor it down a bit better. And for the smaller jets, take 4 transparent blue feathers. We're going to place these with their facing inwards. Now if you want, you can have them facing outwards. It's totally up to you with this project. And to fill in the interior with some water, I'm going to take about 28 of these transparent light blue studs. Just sprinkle those in there. And you can also do this too to kind of level everything off. So I'm just going to toss a few in there and just hope nothing falls on the floor. I have to pick it up. Sprinkle those in there. See, if I had the piano music, you wouldn't be hearing all the crude commentary with this. That wouldn't be too fun. Let's get a few more right in there. Let's put one here. That looks like we got some water in our fountain.